Is recession talk making you sweat? What if I told you the ultimate trick to not just survive but crush it? During an economic storm isn't some Wall Street secret. It's this three-digit number, your credit score. Listen, your credit score isn't just about loans or credit cards. When the economy goes bonkers, this thing becomes your financial super shield. While everyone else is stressing, a killer score means you get the VIP treatment. Alright, let's unlock the secrets to making your credit score an unstoppable recession-proof superpower. Let's go! Secret number 1, your credit score is your recession lifeline. When times get tough, lenders get super picky. But with a high score, you're basically shouting, "I'm the most reliable person on earth." You get the best deals when cash is King Kong. Secret 2, the pre-recession credit checkup. Before things get wild, check your credit reports from all the bureaus. Hunt down errors and destroy them now. One tiny mistake can wreck your score when you need it most. Secret 3, the debt reduction sprint. Slash that high-interest debt, especially on credit cards, before recession hits. Less debt means less stress, and it makes you look amazing to lenders. Secret 4, the utilization shield. Keep your credit card balances dirt low, ideally below 30% of your limit. Huge limits, tiny balances. Your score can breathe and grow. Secret 5, the on-time payment pledge. Payment history is the boss. One missed payment can nuke your score, so set up automatic payments now. This is your non-negotiable financial armor. Secret 6, smart credit mix strategy. A mix of credit, like cards and loans, can help, but don't open a million new accounts. Just manage what you have and do it perfectly. Secret 7, bank relationship bonus. A strong, positive history with your bank can be an unseen superpower. Loyal customers might get extra help when things get tough. Secret 8, credit as your emergency backup. Your emergency fund is always number 1, but amazing credit gives you a vital, low-cost backup plan if cash runs out. Use it wisely. Secret 9, playing the long financial game. A top-tier score helps you dodge crazy interest rates and tight credit. It's like having a cheat code for the best terms. Always. Secret 10, from surviving to thriving. A monster credit score isn't just for survival. It sets you up to grab amazing opportunities after the recession. Better rates, investments, even starting a business. Alright, which one of these secrets are you going to use first? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this blew your mind, smash that like button, subscribe, and share this video with everyone you know. Economic storms will pass, folks. But being ready? That's on you. Turn your credit score into your greatest asset for endless strength and opportunity. Thanks for watching. See ya.